Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Had a back-to-back 1 week in Thailand, and then 1 week in Australia, and now back in Singapore. And I'm raising you a wake-up call. Bitcoin price may come and go. Doesn't matter, subject to a lot of market noises in most cases. But the real truth is, since the fourth halving, the supply has been cut by half, from 900 Bitcoin per day to 400 Bitcoin per day. That is a fact, not noise. Okay? The world may change, but not Bitcoin protocol. It is almost impossible to change the protocol, and that is a fact too. Okay. When it comes to uncertainty or come to certainty, everything must be a fact, not FUD, not fact, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Though Bitcoin is 15 years now, another fact, but it is only getting people attention in the last few years. And we are right in the middle of this history in its making. And it is still early days, all right? You see in traditional financial asset, portfolio managers predominantly have about 25 to 30 years of trading experience in real estate, in bonds, in equities, etc. They can offer tons of knowledge and experience over that assets. But in Bitcoin, it all starts from scratch. There is no real advantage of experience in crypto. Some maybe a few years earlier, not more, crypto offers tons of opportunities and value proposition for everyone, including you and me. Okay? Being completely new asset, a new way of understanding new money. More importantly, a 15 years proven product or asset in Bitcoin with all its fine qualities that outbeaten traditional finance in practically every aspect. Fast, cheap, no need middleman, truthful, honest, verifiable, secure, proof of work, transparency, decentralized the blockchain. Everyone is undisputable, and that is a fact. Bitcoin is free for the whole world to use. If you like it, like its system, use it. If not, nobody force you to use Bitcoin. Similarly, nobody can stop Bitcoin ecosystem. It only do one job perfectly and extremely well too. You want to send funds from to anybody in the world, just send it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin don't have to know what is your reason for sending. If you have Bitcoin in your wallet, the system will just do it faithfully and authentically without having to ask permission. And because of Bitcoin indisputable advantage, it ushered in this natural humanity which was neglected by modern society for far too long. For example, Bitcoin teaches us to be honest. Bitcoin has no room for cheaters or false information. All data are verifiable. Anything not truthful is thrown up, right? where everything is open and transparent, nothing to hide, nothing to fear. Nobody can claim to be better or superior, all fair and square. Bitcoin is a space of serenity where everyone lives in harmony and happiness, a peaceful world. If people take advantage of this ecosystem to conduct some improper activities, so be it. At least these people found it useful for their own purpose, although it may be improper or immoral. So what? These people also realize that Bitcoin is transparent. Their self-induced improper activities are permanently recorded in the blockchain that cannot be erased or edited. They know it forever. They live in fear. Their illegal activities may come back to bite them at any time, now and the future. That's their risk. So this episode tells you that Bitcoin protocol cannot be changed unless there is a consensus among the Bitcoin community. It is almost impossible to change. So the supply will be reduced gradually until 2140, where the finite production of 21 million Bitcoin is reached. Ignore the price for the moment. All right. It just starting innovation. It will grow to a value that we are unable to recognize or imagine, or only when we reach there in due course, then we can realize what the value can be. So this episode also tells you that we are right in the early stage of Bitcoin history in its making. We all start almost from scratch. You should not miss this opportunity. All right. If you immerse yourself in this history in making, there will be a lot of stories to tell your children, grandchildren, or great-grandchildren even. The imperfect monetary world is right to be changed for the better, for our future generation. Forget about the noises, right, made by the privileged elites. They will do anything to distract you from the revolutionary monetary system. They are trying to protect their golden bowl, which is slowly melting away. Simply put, they are scared of Bitcoin taking over their rice bowl. And we can see that they are slowly and gradually losing the battle. As Bitcoin is here to stay. So here, like what Gandhi used to say, first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they criticize you, like all the elites do. Then they fight you, like the authorities and the bank. Then they accept you, like the US government acceptance of Bitcoin ETF now. And then they join you, like the institution and the mainstream now. Then you win. Isn't it interesting? Okay, I think that's all for today. Next week I'll be traveling again. I hope I can make another episode before my travel. See you next time. Bye-bye.